na-witness natin kung paano ating kalayaan 2025 ay na-celebrate na maayos. You've been with us in this journey for this year's independence celebration ng ating bansa. And naging tradition na rin natin over the years na yung kalayaan celebration natin is not just a one-day event. So kung kayo ay naka-witness ng celebration, especially before the pandemic, siguro 2 or 3 months before June, pinaghahandaan na ang kalayaan. At yung pinaghahandaan na yun is just a one-day event. Actually, half-day. Parang yung morning lang. Siya yung pinaka-highlight ng ating celebration. Yun yung mga mensahe, commemoration, paano nga ba tayong nagkaroon ng kalayaan? Bakit ba natin sineselebrate ang kalayaan ng Pilipinas? Ano ba ang natamasa natin over the past more than 120 years? So yun yung essence ng kalayaan. But over the years, tayo ay nag-evolve and nakita natin na even 4 weeks or a month before the Philippine Independence Day, which is June 12, tayo ang dami-dami na natin pinagkakaabang event every Friday. So meron tayong yung fish catching, tama ba? Competition, meron tayong dati Zumba lang, di ba? Tapos meron tayo dati na isasabay ang Battle of the Boys on the same day of the kalayaan. So ang dami nating events during the past year, especially before the pandemic. After the pandemic, mas nag-evolve pa tayo. This year, kung napansin nyo, as early as May, I think we are already celebrating the pre-kalayaan events through the Hataw Pinoy event headed by Ronel Kasanga. Alright, si Sir Don. So dati, ang Hataw Pinoy, parang zumba-zumba lang yan, parang exercise lang siya. But this time, napaka-bongga. It's a great way to start and kick off the like a 1.5 month long celebration ng ating independence. So napakaganda, tapos susunod na siya ng fishing competition ng Laro ng Lagi. So sa Hataw Pinoy, hindi lang naman siya sayaw-sayaw. Nagala tayo ng parang frisbee, nagala tayo miski pang kalawakan, pang lumiya at pang balikas. Di ba, may poster making contest, ano pa? Di ba, yung creativity ng mga street dancing competition. And then sa Laro ng Lahi, hindi lang naman tayo basta naglaro. Meron din other competitions like, ano ba yung sa Laro ng Lahi? Other than the games, ano pa yung Limbora. So, di ba? Bayot? May bayot. May bayot. May bayot. Alright, so marami tayong ano, and that is for us to really appreciate sa mga, lalo na yung mga kabataan na, ano ba tawag doon, Gen Z? Yes. Sino bang, ayun, yung mga na-remind tayo, na-reminisce natin, yung mga palaman na ito lang ang pinagkakaabalahan natin yung araw. Yung iba't ibang mga laro na. So napakaganda yung sa fishing competition, di ba, yung hulihan ng isda. May bilutuan pa ba yan, sir? Ayun, hindi kasi ito naman sa pasensya na po. So, that's not my thing. Doon nakapamingwit. And then, of course, the much-awaited independence celebration na ginawa natin noong June 20th. Okay? So, yung sa celebration natin, ang ganda ng production, ang ganda ng celebration, ang ganda ng venue, ang ganda ng decoration. May awarding tayo ng Outstanding Migrant Workers 2025. At hindi lang yun. In the afternoon, we had, after ng kalayaan in the morning, meron tayong Pitik Kalaya. Okay, which is a competition ng photography. And then nagkaroon tayo ng Kundiman, Tambalang Kundiman, and then the Disenyo Filipino. So, napakalawak na ng ating narating in terms of the Philippine Independence Celebration. And just to inform you, na even in other countries like Bahrain, we've been hearing very positive feedbacks at pinagmamalaki nila for those guests na nakarating. They were really very proud doon sa naging celebration natin dito sa Alcobar. So for that, congratulations sa ating lahat. And now of course, this won't be possible without the executive committee who spearheaded the event. Hindi ko naman nababanggit kasi naman tayong part dito to recognize them. And of course,
yung pinamid din,
diba, yung ating different Filipino community organizations na nagtulong-tulong to either contribute money, time, resources. So without further ado, hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin, trabaho na siya na mag-i-introduce at magbibigay ng ating welcome remarks. I hope you'll be able to acknowledge every single one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the chairman of Kalayaan 2025, Sir Darwin Madju.
Yes, Masters. Napakahirap ng challenge na yun. So, acknowledge everyone. So, ayun po. So, I will go away with the formal opening. No? So, once again, magandang hapon po sa lahat. Kamusta po ang lahat? Ayun, okay po. Being the event chairman po of the Kalayaan, of the 127th Kalayaan celebration, so on behalf of the organizing committee, headed by the three organizations, the Philippine Professional Organization Saudi Arabia, with its leader and officers, with APSCOM, All Filipino Community Sports Commission, with its leaders and officers. So hindi ko na po isa-isahin, no? And the OFW Congress, with its leaders and officers, together with the DMW office, the OWA, and the different government agencies, as well as our PhilCom leaders of the different PhilCom organization, 107 plus PhilCom organizations. Palakpakan po natin ang Alcobar for that. So, 107 plus. And the executive committee. Ayan, palakpakan po natin ang executive committee headed by the previous chairman of the Kalayaan, together with the different advisors and consultants. So, it's really a month-long planning, brainstorming, and all of this brought us with a positive and a very amazing identification of the Kalayaan celebration of Alcobar to the different regions in Saudi Arabia. And looking forward that this will still be displayed back again next year with the next event chairman. And all of this is because of our collective effort. Palakpakan po natin ang ating collective effort. So this celebration is a tribute for our unity, resilience, and the spirit of bayanihan that thrives in the mind, heart, and spirit of all Filipino. Ito po nagbibigkis sa ating bawat isa. Sa bawat damdamin, action natin, magkaiba man ng mga paniniwala o ano man, tayo po ay nagkakaisa because of being one Filipino. And that is the essence of celebration. At yan po ang aking pinapasalamat sa lahat. Muli, maraming salamat po at enjoy po natin ang araw na to sa ating collective effort.